Imagine trading the hustle and bustle of city life for the tranquil beaches of Goa. That's exactly what one intrepid travel writer did in late 2020. Finding a home near the serene Morjim Beach, he discovered a world of creativity and innovation at every turn. Picture a bar, not just any bar, but a vinyl bar named For the Record. It's the brainchild of Buland Shukla, a testament to his love for music and craftsmanship. You can almost hear the vintage records spinning. Next, envision a promotional party for Makadi craft beer. Spearheaded by Sarika Varshni, this venture is a family affair, bringing a new taste to Goa's vibrant scene. Finally, imagine resting at Alila Diwa Goa, attending stimulating events like Pichakucha, and meeting inspiring individuals like Vaishali Bali. Goa's landscape is ever-changing, each day presenting a new captivating sight. So if you're seeking an escape, maybe it's time to consider Goa, where the beach is your backyard and every day is a new adventure.